In this video, I'm going to go ahead and do an integration by parts example problem. This is slightly different. First, we have to do some manipulation and then we have to use the integration by parts. So let's go ahead and try to solve this integral. Integral ln of x whole cube dx. Please note that it is not ln of x cube, but rather ln of x whole cube. So this is ln of x, this whole thing cubed, not this one. So not this one, ln of x cube. All right. Now let's say I make a substitution. So let's say t is equal to ln of x. Okay. Then I'm gonna have, using the exponential, exp of t, or apply inverse of natural log to both sides. So exp of ln of x. So exp of t is nothing but e to the power t, and exponential and natural log, they cancel each other, so that gives you x. So I have e to the power t is equal to x. Now I take the derivative of both sides, so dx over dt is equal to e to the power t, which gives me dx is equal to e to the power t dt. Now my integral ln of x whole cube dx becomes this. Integral ln of x is t, is going to be t cube, and dx is e to the power t dt, as I have found here. At this point, I am going to go ahead and use the integration by part. So integral t cube e to the power t dt. So let's say my u is t cube and my dv is e to the power t dt. So du over dt is equal to 3t square, or du is equal to 3t square dt, and integral dv is equal to integral e to the power t dt, which tells me v is equal to e to the power t. So integral t cube e to the power t dt is equal to integral u dv, according to the substitutions that I'm making, all right, is equal to uv minus integral v du. Now uv, u is t cube, v is e to the power t, right? So v is e to the power t minus integral v du. V is e to the power t, and du is 3t square dt. Now that simplifies to t cube e to the power t minus 3 times t square e to the power t dt. Now if you look at it, you notice that the power of t here has gone down by 1. So we started off with integral t cube e to the power t dt. Now that comes down to t cube e to the power t minus 3 integral t square e to the power t dt. Now all I have to do is use integration by parts again on this one and then simplify it. I have to apply it a couple of times before it comes down to something simpler. So let me go ahead and write it out here. And if I write it out, this is what I get. Now let me go ahead and explain what I did here. I have done some integration by parts here. So I have started with this one, integral t square e to the power t dt right here. I have assumed u is equal to t square and dv is equal to e to the power t dt. So the derivative of u is 2t times dt, right? So du is equal to 2t times dt. So if I take the derivative of both sides with respect to t, And if I integrate both sides here, integral this, that gives me v is equal to e to the power t. Now to this I apply the integration by part. Integral u dv is equal to uv minus integral v du. U is t square and v is e to the power t minus 2 times integral t e to the power t dt, that is v du. V is e to the power t, du is 2 t dt. So if I plug this into here, I get this expression. Now look, this t times e to the power t dt, again I have to integrate it. So I do the integration again. I do it by integration by parts. U is equal to t, so du is equal to dt, and dv is equal to e to the power t dt. So integral of that gives me v is equal to e to the power t. And then when I apply the integration by parts to it, integral u dv is equal to uv minus integral v du, that gives me ultimately t times e to the power t minus e to the power t, and I plug it back in here to get this. At this point, let me get rid of the t, which was just a substituted value. So my integral ln of x whole cube, right, dx is going to be t cube. T is ln of x, right? So it's going to be ln of x whole cube. Then e to the power t. Look, e to the power t is nothing but x. So I'm going to write down x in front. Similarly, negative 3 times e to the power t is x, and t square is ln of x whole square, plus 6t, t is ln of x, and e to the power t is x. So it's going to be 6 times x ln of x minus 6 times e to the power t. Again, e to the power t is x, so it's negative 6x plus some arbitrary constant. And that is what the integral of ln of x whole cube. This is a bit of a longer problem, but it's not too bad. It's integration by part. You just apply it a couple of times. That's about it. I hope that this discussion was helpful. Thank you so very much.